Hey everybody, this is Wes Heifel with Heifel Custom Woodworks. I am on site here at a job we've been working on. Thought I'd give an update on some of the stuff we've been doing lately. There's a lot to this job, to this project, and we've got a lot of pieces to it. And so I'm just going to show you one piece we've been working on. So this is a kitchen that we just installed. It's not our design, not our boxes. A customer bought these from some discount cabinet manufacturer, I believe. But we did install them. And yeah, I think we did a good job of making these more economical boxes look really good. And you can see here, this customer likes flush mount HVAC grills. So there's a HVAC register right up there that we got that installed, built and installed. Painter needs to paint that still. And there will be under cabinet lights in those locations. Obviously, countertops still need to go in. We were not informed that that needed to be filled before the fridge got installed, so we will be finding a solution for that soon. And yes, there will be under cabinet lights under there. There's going to be 2 sinks here, customer wanted 2 sinks. And there's going to be under cabinet lights there and under these floating shelves. And that's all for today. I'll give you another update soon.